Guys, here's a quick warning. This video is not censored, which means that you may hear a couple of swear words, you know? Just a few. But yeah, it's not censored. Just know that. So guys, we're here at Chessington Water Resorts for Halloween. And by the way, I got a new camera, so this is my new camera with a new mic. So yeah, there we are. It's a massive sign, I like it. Great sign. I love the music playing. I don't know if you could hear it with my new mic. You probably can, but I absolutely love this music. Here's a nice rhino there. Why is one? Still trying to get to grips with this camera thing. No, stop. Bear with, just trying to figure it out. Okay, that should be good. Okay, I did it. I think. I actually need to have a look at show times because I think there's a couple of shows that we need to see. Guys, I might actually look now for you. So there's a lot of shows on, but there's none on like now. I think that everything starts like past 11. So why is my camera just not working? Everything starts like past 11, something past 11. So we'll just see. We'll just see. This is where Santa is for A Winter's Tale. Wow, look at all that. Go above. Look at all of that.
I know.
They're probably like preparing for...
That's all the carpenters will be building.
Do you think they're going to be preparing for Winter's Tale?
Yeah.
When do you think they'll start?
Soon, after this.
If you guys watch my videos, then you'll know that every time I walk with a camera, it's always really shaky. So I hope this camera with a gimbal like sort of steadies it out. I own it. Here's Enchanted Hollow. This is the thing that was here last year too. This is basically like you go through. I don't know how much it is. £8 per person. £8 per person if we move this leaf out of the way. So am I going now? I don't think you're allowed to film though. I love that they have like Halloween themed things, like well, like Legoland did actually. Look over there as well. Don't know if you can see them, but they have more Halloween themed things. So guys, this is where the show is going to be, down here at Adventure Point. So here's the Rising Flame show. I think it's Rising Flame Shadows of the Tomb. So this is the show. It looks like 12:30 and 4:30. We will come back for both of them. No, not both of them. One of them. It's kind of creepy. Like, look at that. It's an old tarantula. Can't zoom in that much, but I can zoom in smoother, so I suppose. And if you like pan around, you'll see like it's not very child friendly. Well, I mean, like, it's not like non-child friendly, but like, it's a bit creepy. Halloween decorations like that. It's like mummies. So this here is where Stonewatchers is. Last time it was through the same area, but on the other side. I really don't know if I'll be going through this year. Like, it does look really scary from the videos I've seen, and I hate that sort of stuff. Mandrill Mayhem, we're going on Mandrill Mayhem. A great first ride of the day. Maybe only ride of the day, I don't know. But we're going on Mandrill Mayhem, it's like 30 minutes, yeah. Gives us like enough time so then we could watch the show. Mandrill Mayhem was so fun. We got row 7, which is the one at the back, so you know the one. Yeah, you know the one? Yeah, you know the one. So we got that one, the one right at the back. And it was fun, wasn't it?
It was exhilarating.
It was really fun. So, yeah, don't know what we're going to do now. I think we have a little bit before the show, so yeah, we're just gonna, I guess we're just gonna walk over to the show. So I think what is it, Stone Watches, I think Stone Watches is now open. So we have till 3 to go through because that's 7 years and over, and then it's 10 years and over. I won't be going through now, but I might be going through soon. There's actors. I keep looking behind me like, are they just gonna jump out?
Yeah, and I can get Wiley.
Yeah, they are scary. It's actually kind of scary.
Dude over there by the building's scary.
Yeah.
Skeleton dude. He's proper scary.
One day his throne would belong to another, and he would be forgotten. He ordered his slaves to break into the tomb of a high priest and steal the emerald of eternity, the jewel capable of granting those who possess it with the gift of eternal life. Little did the pharaoh know that the jewel would only serve its powers to those who sought it for themselves. He ordered his slaves to steal the jewel in his name, and a soul-sucking curse was bestowed upon them. Both he and his slaves returned to mummies, forever prisoners in the high priest's tomb. Every 5,000 years, the curse is lifted, and the slaves summon their pharaoh to walk among the living before they are forced back into their graves. Now, 5,000 years later, that day has finally arrived.
See, that was definitely scary enough for me. I can't handle anything more than that. That was terrifying. But I think we're making our way down to, I think it's called Enchanted Hollow. I can't remember what it's called. We're heading down to there. I think it's for kids. It was last year anyway. I enjoyed it last year. It was fun. We get sugar as well. Sweets, yum. So
Yeah.
I just came out of Enchanted Hollow. We got this. It was quite good. Look. We have sweets. My camera's just automatically going up. We have sweets. And the actors in there were quite funny too. They were sort of like, so all dressed up as animals. And they also like bullying my dad. The rats bullying my dad. They said he was like ugly and stuff. It was fun. But yeah, it was fun altogether. I don't know if it's worth £8. But yeah. I would recommend going in. You get free sweets. Well, it's not free. You get sweets after all. So I'm here in a gift shop and there is like a couple of Halloween things like this. This is nice. And then that might be it. So let's just say vampire and things. So yeah, I think that's like the only
They also
one.
have like
Okay.
this, I think it's like a witch's hat. Then they have pumpkin, bat, and some more bats down at the bottom here.
Oh, my finger's in the way. It's just the way my camera's aimed down. But yeah, I think I might be.
They have these little pumpkin things. These are cute. There's the little pumpkin things that I was talking about. They're cute. There's some bigger ones as well. Oh my god, these are such a bargain. They're £8. No, not £8. Where did that come from? They're £5. And these ones, they're £13. That is
Absolutely crazy. That might be like the only
things that they have. So now I'm going to send in my dad to Stonewatch's Vampire's Lair. So I'm going to send my dad into there because I'm definitely not going in. So here's the footage of that.
Yeah.
I don't know. So, I mean, I didn't go through that, but it looked fun. I saw the clip after. I saw the footage after. Why is my camera just aiming to? No. There we go. Good camera. I don't know what just happened there. So I didn't go through, but I saw the footage afterwards, and it didn't look too bad. I probably wouldn't be able to do the 10+ one, which is a bit later, I think at 3 o'clock. But yeah. So this used to be I don't know if I can see over the top. This used to be like the thing where you like paid £6 or something to like drive boats, I think. I don't know what they're doing with it. If they're like just refurbishing it or something. You can sort of see something being built. What's happening with my camera? You sort of see something being built just over there. That's cool. I don't know what it is, but it's to do with Paw Patrol apparently. You can sort of see it here. Like if I zoom in. Is that already zoomed in all the way? Oh my god, that's already zoomed in all the way. So you can sort of see, like, it's sort of like rocky or something. I don't know how to describe it. Can I go higher? I don't know what you can see there. But it's looking good. Looking forward to it being built. That's another view. I hope you can see it there. I don't know. I hope so. So I made the dumbest decision of my life and I decided to go through Stonewatch's Vampire's Lair. So, by the way, you could take this away for yourselves, that if you don't want to get scared, sort of cross your arms over your chest. There is a sign outside that says it. But, you know, if you don't want to get scared, do that. And as you can tell from the video that I'm going to show you in a second, I really, really did not want to get scared.
Legend has it, they were eaten by a vampire, protected by stone gargoyles. They won't like you. Come on!
Oh my god, oh my god. It's alright. Please push your arms. No, please. No, do it!
The last people to enter these gates.
She said it was.
Either turn back.
She wasn't there. I don't know where she's gone. It's alright. That's it. I think that's it.
Shut up. Oh my god.
The vampire, he ain't my friend, please. Go back. No, go back. Please, go back, please. Please. Go back, please. Please, I need you. Please. Don't. Please. Don't. Stay back, please.
Holy fuck.
You okay?
No.
Come on.
Fucking hell, fucking hell. I'm actually shaking. No, please don't.
He's waiting for you.
Tell her to piss off. She's following us. Arms across. 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 Get the fuck back.
Get in front.
Get back, please.
Get in front. Look at his shoes.
Oh
They're
my
comedy
God.
shoes. You can't be scared of comedy shoes.
Please go first. If anybody in here, my arms are crossed, okay? My arms are crossed. Do not scare, do not scare, please do not scare. Please don't scare, please don't scare. Nobody scare, please don't scare. Nobody scare me, please. Nobody scare me. Nobody scare me. Nobody scare me, no fucking hell. Fuck.
So what? I said don't scare. So he's not going to follow you and scare.
Oh my shitty god.
How was that?
That was terrifying. I was walking through like please don't scare me, don't
I
scare.
know.
Oh my god, there's a gargoyle in there.
It's not.
Yeah, there is, he's getting dressed. Oh my god.
I don't think they're going to jump out of there.
See, guys, I told you I just can't do that sort of stuff. That is literally, oh my god.
Did it?
Like when I saw the guy there, I didn't think anybody would be there. I turned around and I saw his face. I was like, oh my god.
Which guy?
The first guy in the tunnel.
Yeah. No, I put my arm out so he couldn't come to you.
At least he said to the other, yeah. At least he said to the other guy, "Do not scare." Did you see him? He said to the vampire guy. My heart
Girl
is,
as well, I went like that, so she knew.
yeah, my heart is racing so much right now. I was literally shaking. I don't know if you could. What?
Good for the heart.
No, just. No.
You've got a gimbal.
I feel like, yeah. I don't know if you guys would be was able to like see the shaking, but I was actually shaking so much. Oh my god. There's a show on now, so let's go and see the show. After that completely traumatizing experience. Oh my god.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, Professor.
Oh, you're all a bit quiet out there. What's the matter? Black cat got your tongue?
Now, Professor, these students are new to Howl High. The class rules haven't been explained to them yet.
New students? He's a bit old, isn't he?
Ah, he's a mature student, part of our adult sorcerers program. Now, listen up, class. When we say good afternoon, students, you all say good afternoon, professors. Understand?
Yeah.
Marvelous. Let's try it. Good afternoon, students. Good
afternoon, professors.
Well, that's a little more like it. Now let's see if anyone even bothered to show up today, shall we?
Registerless. House of Hoggle will start with you. Please raise your wand silently if you are here. Cosmic. Here. I said silently, Cosmic. And you are late today, I hear. Because I know everything. Misty. Misty, are you here? Oh, away with the fairies again, I see, okay. And finally, Drogo. Yes, wonderful, very eager. Okay, take a seat now, thank you very much. Fantastic. Okay, Professor, over to you.
Perfect, thank you, Professor. Have I got Trixie? Yes, Sylvie? Yes, and Munch? You need to be more careful, Munch. That's the fourth one this term. And last but not least, Rex. Amazing, amazing, thank you.
Now, come on, students, up you get.
Come on, students, up we get. So for your first assignment of today, you each need to perform your signature spell.
Yes, the house to demonstrate the most impressive spell of the day will receive our spell
spectacular award. Yes, how exciting. Is everyone excited? Fantastic. Yes, the Grand Spectacular Award is very prestigious. So which house will win it will be the very lucky house indeed. There it is up there. Isn't it beautiful, everyone? Yes, that is correct. Now you will be marked on your execution of your spells and precision.
And magical flair.
And most importantly, teamwork. Yes.
Okay, how's the talent? Are we ready?
Yes, in the class, I'll simply use a reversing spell.
But you don't need to worry about that. I'll fix it. Alright, how's the talent? Ready to weave some magic?
Hey, House of Hoggle, are you ready to stir up some hocus pocus? Then,
Put your magic wands up to the moon. Yeah, look what we can do. 24-karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so talents. You're up.
Pop, it's showtime!
Showtime.
Showtime!
Showtime, look who's in to win.
Ready to roll? Ready to
well, I think it's very clear who the winning house is.
No, not so hasty, Professor. My students did an excellent job. Some of the best levitation work I've ever witnessed. Much trickier than your basic transformations.
Oh, Codswallop, you're just jealous that our house won that fair and square. Isn't that right, students?
I wouldn't say it was fair.
Well, what are you implying?
You broke our charm. We were doing a spectacular job until you showed up. Isn't that right, Talons?
Yeah!
Well, I think this calls for just one thing. A spell off.
What did you say?
You heard me. I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I lie.
It's been 100 years, right down to the day. Now my house is back, and we'll win the day.
We'll see about that.
I put a spell on you.
And now you're mine. House of Hoggle, raise your wand.
Have the talent launch to the sky.
If you don't have a wand, magic fingers work just fine.
Let the battle commence.
Oh, Professor! Oh, Professor Sprog, are you okay?
Blew themselves up.
Professor Frog.
No, you, Professor Sprog.
I never heard of it.
Oh dear.
Okay, so that's all. I'm sure Professor Sprague can help him remember, right?
Huh?
You can help Professor Sprague remember, can't you?
Sorry, who are you?
Okay, well that's not ideal.
So this must mean that the magic spell was wiped both of their memories.
Wait, did you say magic?
Yes, sir, magic. Do you remember?
Remember what?
Magic, sir! Do you remember any magic?
Magic is real!
Yes, sir. Of course, magic is real.
Magic is
Yeah, we're in trouble.
No, this can't be happening.
Let me just reverse the spell, bring your memories back.
Well, I would if I could, but the professors are the only ones that know the spell, and well, they don't even know who they are.
Oh, come on, I'm sure you're thinking something. You're the smartest girl in the school, isn't she, everyone?
Well, I don't know how, but we'll figure it out one way or another. One way or another. We gotta fix this. We gotta fix it.
One way or another, we'll use our magic. We'll use our magic.
Right now, we have to solve this and work together. We'll work together. Helping our professors. But it looks like we need a potion, so
much as I found that thoroughly unenjoyable, I do have to say we're very proud of your extraordinary efforts and undeniable teamwork.
Yes, with just a pinch of magic and the power of self-belief, you all saved the day! And that is why, for the first time in the history of Hubble High, we have decided to award our spectacular award to both houses! Bravo indeed, students, bravo!
Students, you're free to take the rest of the day off.
Oh, excellent, sir! In fact, why don't we celebrate?
What a terrific idea, Professor. Learning is, of course, important, but you have to learn to have a little bit of fun from time to time.
Precisely. Students, young and old, we want to see you up on your feet, or dancing along in your seat. That's right, come on down and party with us.
Come on, everyone, clap your hands. You can do it.
You say as a woman goes up.
Let's go.
Thick in the air,
Everywhere,
everywhere.
spells and
Potions they brew,
for great wizards like
bubbling in
So it's like 4 o'clock at this time of filming. It's not like, actually it is like, by the time I'm editing it right now it's 4:30, so that's a coincidence, but I think it's 4 o'clock, so we're gonna go down to Stone Watches. I'm not going through again because it's more scary this time apparently. This is for 10 and overs, last time it was for 7 and overs. Yeah, sure. Anyway, so we're gonna go in, well my dad's gonna go in that, and this is more scary apparently, so here's that.
Now, before you go, a final word of warning. The last people that did pass through to the last people that did pass through here either turned back or were never seen. Best of luck.
Kids first.
Oh, she's left the snake girl.
We have to go.
She's fun. I like you. I actually do. I actually do though. I'm sorry.
Go on! Down!
So we're now actually going home because yeah, there's nothing really else to do. But it was kind of fun, yeah. Terrifying, kind of. Very scary. Yeah, nervous chuckle.
Is that what that was? A scary chuckle?
What? No, it wasn't a scary chuckle, it was a nervous. Anyway, that first show was scary, don't you think, with the mummies? But yeah, we're going now. Subscribe because I went through that so you don't have to.